Hi, my name is Dee. I'm doing a testimony on Mr. Muhammad for credit healing. I had this student loan that I needed to dispute. No one knew how to dispute a student loan for me, so I went searching on YouTube for someone. I came across Mr. Muhammad and looked at some of his reviews on different people disputing things on their credit report. At first I said that this isn't going to work. Then I told myself I'm going to try it to see how it comes out. So I ordered his package. At first I got frustrated because the first rounds the creditors didn't honor disputing the loan. But on one of his videos he said that you may have to send it more than once. So I followed exactly what he said, and to tell you the truth, it took me 4 times. I wanted to give up, but Mr. Muhammad said that this will work. The last rounds of the papers that I sent off, the student loans that I disputed, worked, and my credit score went up. If I had a question, Mr. Muhammad would always get back in touch with me and said not to give up. So I just want to say thank you for guiding me and helping me. If it worked for me, it will work for you. Thank you.